how to log in to your Lowe's credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to your Lowe's credit card. So let us begin. The process is really simple. Just open up any web browser. Any web browser is fine. After you open it up, search for Lowe's credit card like I did. After doing that, you will see a lot of options. Now, just click on the link that says Lowe's credit card, and after you click on it, you will get redirected to this page right here. Now, under this page, you will see Lowe's credits and lease to own centers. So under here, you can, pay and manage account. So just select your account or your credit card, and after you do that, you'll get redirected to this page right here. Now under here, you will simply have to type in your user ID. So just type that in, type in your password, and after you do that, you can simply log in. Now if you don't remember your user ID or your password, you can recover your user ID or even reset your password. Now you can simply tap on Remember Me to make the login process for the future easier. So that is how you log in into your Lowe's credit card account. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.